Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet a heart-shaped coaster. So friends, for this project, I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 1.75 millimeter crochet hook. To begin, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. After making 4 chain, go into the first chain and make a slip stitch. Now to begin first row, make chain 1, go into the ring, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet stitch. Single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7 and single crochet 8. After making 8 single crochet stitches, go into the first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. So this is our first row. Now cut the starting yarn tail and start your second row with chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the same single crochet stitch and make a double crochet 2 by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops and then pulling the yarn through second 2 loops. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and pull through second 2 loops. This is our third single crochet stitch. Again repeat the same process and go into the same stitch and make another double crochet stitch. So including chain 3 we have made 4 double crochet stitches. After making 4 double crochet stitches, make chain 2, wrap the yarn, skip second single crochet stitch, go into the third single crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch 1, go into the same stitch and make double crochet 2, go into the same stitch and make double crochet stitch 3, go into the same stitch and make double crochet stitch 4. After making 4 double crochet stitches into this third single crochet stitch, again make chain 2 and skip next single crochet stitch and go into the next one and make double crochet stitch. As we have done 4 double crochet stitches here, make 4 double crochet stitches here and repeat the same pattern. So friends, I have completed. Now make last chain 2, go into the chain 3 and make a slip stitch to finish your second row. Now start your third row with chain 3 again. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 3 and make a double crochet stitch. Now go into the second double crochet stitch after chain 3 and make 2 double crochet stitch increase there. Now go into the third and make 2 double crochet stitch increase. Now go into the fourth and make 2 double crochet stitch increase. So we have made 2 double crochet stitches into every stitch. So we have total of 8 double crochet stitches including chain 3. Now make chain 2, go into the next double crochet stitch and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 into the same stitch and repeat. So we have completed 2 double crochet stitches into every stitch. Now make chain 2 again, wrap the yarn, go into the next double crochet stitch and make double crochet stitch, go into the same stitch again and make increased double crochet stitch. Now repeat the same process till the end. So friends, I have completed my third row. Now start your fourth row with chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch and make an other double crochet stitch increase. Wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch again and make a third double crochet stitch here. After making 3 double crochet stitches, go into the next double crochet stitch and make double crochet 1. Go into the second stitch and make double crochet 2. Go into the third stitch and make double crochet 3. Go into the fourth stitch and make double crochet 4. Go into the fifth stitch and make double crochet 5. Go into the sixth stitch and make a double crochet stitch 6. After completing 6 double crochet stitches, go into the last stitch and make 3 double crochet stitch increase as we have made in the start. So go into this last double crochet stitch and make double crochet 1, 2, 3. So I have made total of 12 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 2, wrap the yarn, go into the first double crochet stitch and make 3 double crochet stitch increase. After making 3 double crochet stitch increase, make 6 double crochet stitches into next 6 stitches and go into this last double crochet stitch and again make 3 double crochet stitch increase to this last double crochet stitch. So this is very simple and easy pattern. Now make chain 2 and repeat the same process till the end of the round. So friends, I have completed my fourth row. After completing fourth row, skip first 3 stitches, go into this fourth double crochet stitch by wrapping the yarn twice. Pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, pull through second 2 loops and pull through third 2 loops. This is our first triple crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn twice, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, pull through second 2 loops and pull through third 2 loops. This is our second triple crochet stitch. Triple crochet 3, triple crochet 4, triple crochet 5, triple crochet 6, triple crochet 7, we are going to make total 9 triple crochet stitches. 7, triple crochet 8 and triple crochet 9. So this is our first shell stitch of our heart shape. So now skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into this third double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch to finish this first shell stitch. Now start your second shell stitch by wrapping the yarn twice, skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into this third double crochet stitch here and make triple crochet 1, triple crochet 2, and complete 9 triple crochet stitches. So friends, I have completed 9 triple crochet stitches here. Now skip this last 2 double crochet stitches, go into the next chain 2 space and make single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and single crochet 3. Because we are skipping 3 double crochet stitches here, so that's why we are making 3 single crochet stitches into chain 2 space. So skip this first 3 double crochet stitches and directly go into the 4th double crochet stitch and repeat the same process of 9 triple crochet stitches for our shell stitch. So this is second, third and complete 9. So friends, I have completed 9 triple crochet stitches. Again skip 2 double crochet stitches next, go into the third and make a single crochet stitch. Again skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the third double crochet stitch and make a shell stitch by making 9 triple crochet stitches here. So friends, I have completed my 9 triple crochet stitches. Now skip this last 2 double crochet stitches, go into this chain 2 space and make 3 single crochet stitches here. Now again skip 3 double crochet stitches, go into this 4th double crochet stitch here and make triple crochet stitch. Repeat the same process till the end of the row. So friends, I have completed my row. Now for the border, I am going to change the color of yarn. So go into this first triple crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your row. Now cut off this extra yarn tail and make knots to secure your work so your stitches may not lose. After making 2 knots, take this starting yarn tail between your stitches, make chain 1, go into this first triple crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch, go into the second stitch and make a single crochet stitch, go into the next stitch and make single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7, and single crochet 8. After making 8 single crochet stitches to 8 triple crochet stitches, go into the last triple crochet stitch here and make a single crochet stitch, but don't finish it. Go into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, go into the next triple crochet stitch and pull the yarn. We have 4 loops on our hook. Make a 3 single crochet together stitch by pulling the yarn through all loops. Now go into the next triple crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch and make 8 single crochet stitches to next 8 triple crochet stitches. After completing 8 single crochet stitches, go into these 3 single crochet stitches and pull the yarn through all 4 loops to make a 3 single crochet together stitch. Now make 8 single crochet stitches. After making 8 single crochet stitches, go into this last triple crochet stitch, pull the yarn, go into the next single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, go into the next triple crochet stitch and pull the yarn, and pull through all 4 loops to make a single crochet together stitch. Now again make 8 single crochet stitches. After completing 8 single crochet stitches, make 3 single crochet together stitch to these 3 single crochet stitches. Repeat the same process till the end of the row. So after completing your row, make simple chain border, chain 3, skip this first single crochet stitch, go into the second single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Again make chain 3, skip one single crochet stitch, go into the second single crochet stitch and make slip stitch. So this is very simple and easy border. Make chain 3 again, skip one stitch, go into the second single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Again make chain 3, skip one stitch, go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. So repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. Always skip one single crochet stitch, go into the next single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Again make chain 3, skip one stitch, go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. So this is very simple and easy border. Repeat this sequence till the end of the row to complete your last row. So after completing your last row, pull the extra yarn, cut the extra yarn and weave this extra yarn with the help of needle to some backside stitches to secure your work. Go into this next stitch, take your yarn to backside and first of all make a knot here to secure your work. After making a tight knot, weave your extra yarn to these single crochet stitches. Now cut this extra yarn tail. Now our coaster is ready. You can see very beautiful and retractable 4 heart shape in this coaster. So if you like this coaster, please try it. If you have any question about this project, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.